Well, we use gamification to make it fun. I mean, look, I think finance is inherently fun. I mean, there's nothing more exciting than seeing the markets go up and down, particularly if you've got a stake in the markets. And what we don't realize is we've all got a stake in the markets. You know, every time the market moves up and down, whether we know it or not, we're making or losing money. And so building that direct relationship with what's going on in the markets, I think is fun. I mean, the other thing that's fun, because I've been a student of what goes on in the world, and I try and understand what goes on in the world from a political point of view, from an economic point of view, seeing the impact of what's going on in the world and how that plays out in the financial markets, I also find interesting. But the way that we're trying to make it fun in a more trivial sense, in a way, is by using gamification. So we create simulated trading and investment environments set in the context of the real world. So our members can buy and sell things in the short term, in the long term, and see how those decisions play out based on what's going on in the markets in the real world. So it's not quite the Hunger Games. That takes place, in this sort of artificial world, but it's kind of, and we don't kill each other, but it's learning how to trade and how to invest in the context of what's really happening in the world. I think that's really exciting. And it's fun and it's social, because at the end of the day, markets are nothing more than the interaction of people. And the interaction, not just of people, but of people's emotions. And we all love to observe each other and each other's emotions. And that's what a marketplace is, whether it's a fruit and veg market or whether it's a financial market. It's a market where people are coming together and they're buying and selling things. And the buzz and the excitement from that environment and the interaction of people, that's what makes it fun and exciting. And we've gamified part of it to give people a taste of what it's like in the real world. And that's how we hope to make it appealing enough to for everyone to want to get involved in managing their own money.